What's up, Film Jammers? This week we're excited to have one of the first in the world DZO Vespid Primes 16mm cinema lens right here at Film Jam's headquarters. We've been waiting and patiently waiting for DZO to release this wide-angle lens to complete our set of Vespid Primes. What's particularly nice about this 16mm lens is that it covers large format sensors, or full frame. I love it when that lens is all covering up my sensor, like the whole thing. Today we're gonna compare the DZO 16mm lens to some other wide-angle lenses like the Cooke 14mm lens and the Laowa 12mm. And we might shoot a little short film as well. All in a day's work. Doot doot. Film. All right, well, let's see what this lens can do. We took the DZO Film Vespid 16mm out into the field, and here's what we came up with.
Are you sure your boyfriend is gonna be okay with this? I can still call this off if you let me know right now.
Yes, just do it already.
Is that what you wanted? Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Stop! Right there, you potato heads! That's the love of my life.
Harvey, you should not be here. It's end now.
No, you end now!
Come on, man. Do better.
Honey, aim. Oh, Harvey, you are such a big man.
Let's get you out of this.
Yes.
Tara,
Yes.
will you marry me?
Yes, Harvey, yes. 1,000 times.
I gotta say, you kids aren't just some weird ass shit. But hey, congrats.
Aw, that is so cute.
You're ruining the mood. Dang, Fam James, I want to give me one of them lenses. You got any discount codes? Do we have discounts? Yeah. Use our secret, highly exclusive custom code FilmJams until January 31st, 2022 to save up to $150 off each lens or $800 off the set. To save big, links below. All right, now for some lens tests. Bokeh, sharpness, color, activate. Holy macaroni, Film Jams! That Vespid Prime looks better than the $20,000 Cooke S4. And it covers large format sensors. Sign me up. Okay, so overall, what's the scoop? I think for anyone looking for a large format, wide angle cinema lens, the DZO Vespid 16mm is one of the best options at this price point, $16.99. Use our promo code FILMJAMS for $150 off the new 16mm 2.8 Vespid lens or $800 off the full 8 lens kit. It's smaller and lighter than most other cinema lenses in its class, which makes it perfect for gimbal work and handheld. And if you're someone like me that has a set of Vespid Primes and you're missing that bottom end, I think the 16mm is a no-brainer. For me especially, just because I love shooting wide. I really dug the skin tones and the bokeh as well. Bokeh? What did you think about the test and the footage? Let us know down in the comments. I'm Christian with Film Jams, and we'll see you next week. Juggling cinema lenses. Hashtag my insurance people love me.
What's your name? Okay? Harvey. Harvey. You're such a strong man.
Big man.
Big man.
Three.
Such a strong man.
One more time.